Hello, I'm Bhakti Paranjpe, an information developer at BMC. Welcome to this demonstration of running health checks from the command line interface by using the BMC MyIT Health Check utility. In this video, we'll have an overview of the utility and see a quick demonstration of running the utility from command line interface. We'll also view the results and see how the results are affected when a connection or configuration setting changes. Let's begin with the overview. A BMC MyIT environment contains several components such as Apache Tomcat, MongoDB, and the MyIT Social Service. BMC MyIT also integrates with other BMC products such as BMC MyIT Service Broker, BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management, and BMC HR Case Management. Occasionally, there can be connectivity or configuration issues which can affect accessibility of BMC MyIT or the integrated products. The BMC MyIT Health Check utility helps you identify and narrow down the possible causes of these issues. You can also use the utility proactively to verify the health of your BMC MyIT environment. The utility can be run using different interfaces such as the web interface and from the command line interface. Depending on the method you use, the health check results are displayed on the console or saved in a log file. The command line interface method displays the results on the CLI console as well as saves the results to a log file. To run the utility, you must belong to BMC MyIT Super Admin Group. Also, the BMC MyIT server must be running and accessible via HTTP. By using the command line interface, you can run the utility on a BMC MyIT host or from a non-host computer that can access other BMC MyIT hosts. If you are using this method in a clustered environment, you can run the utility for the load balancer host and also for all BMC MyIT hosts in the cluster. The healthrunner.jar file must be present on the computer from where you are running the checks. So let's begin the demonstration. In this demonstration, we will run the utility directly on a BMC MyIT host. To run the utility, navigate to the BMC MyIT installation directory. Then go to the health check directory located within the Smart IT MyIT directory. Ensure that the healthrunner version.jar file is available and its version number is same as the BMC MyIT version. Here, the version is 3.2. Open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where the utility file is located. Enter the command. The utility runs and the results are displayed on the console. You can see that most of the checks are successful. For checks with failed or unknown status, a brief reason is provided. The chat server check has failed because the chat server is currently not available. The connectivity checks for integrated applications completed with an unknown status. These applications are not yet enabled in this BMC MyIT environment. The results are also recorded in the healthcheck.log file located in the healthcheck directory. The debug.log file located in the healthcheck directory provides detailed information about any errors that may occur while running the utility. It also provides detailed information about the checks and their results. Now let's try changing some configuration settings and rerun the utility. Let's log in to the BMC MyIT administration console. Open the configuration tab and enable Service Broker integration. On the Service Broker configuration page, we see that although we have enabled the integration, the Service Broker provider is not yet configured. Now let's rerun the BMC MyIT Health Check utility and see the results. We see that the connectivity check between BMC MyIT and BMC MyIT Service Broker, which had unknown status earlier, has now failed and the reason is specified. Earlier, when the check completed with an unknown status, it indicated that the integration between BMC MyIT and BMC MyIT Service Broker was not yet enabled. Now, when the check completed with a failed status, it indicated that the integration was enabled, but there was a configuration issue. Let's now enable the BMC MyIT Service Broker integration and configure it correctly. Let's rerun the utility. We see that the connectivity check for BMC MyIT and BMC MyIT Service Broker is now successful. With this, we come to an end of this demonstration. We hope it was useful to you. Watch our other demonstrations of running the utility using alternative methods. For more information, visit the BMC MyIT online documentation on docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching.